So the ingredients are 1 beetroot, 1 potato, and a tablespoon of milk. So start peeling the beetroot and the potato. So now it's time to grate the beetroot and the potato. Baby's beetroot alone does miracles on your skin. It is super magical. I've already made a video on the benefits of beetroot and it is seriously amazing. Whether you take it internally or you apply it externally, it is amazing for instant brightness. It lightens your tan, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, acne marks, blemishes, to some extent even freckles if you use it religiously. But for freckles you have to be religious even with sunscreen so that the freckles don't aggravate. Whether you have freckles or not, sunscreen is a must whether you're inside the house or outside the house, and you need to even reapply it. Beetroot juice is again superb to tighten our skin, thus reducing wrinkles and fine lines in the future. You need to use anything what you apply on your skin religiously and consistently, and you will only see miracles happening on your skin. Grating them can be a little painful for your hands if you're not used to it, but then sabar ka phal meeta hota hai. This is really good. Both these ingredients are super for the skin. On the other hand, potatoes again is super good for the skin. It lightens your skin, thus getting rid of tan, pigmentation, discoloration, and so on. It heals even sunburn, so it's super good, and even it's very good to reduce fine lines and wrinkles because it tightens the skin. Now, those with extremely dry skin, potatoes can make your skin extremely more dry. So, if that's the case, instead of milk, add in curd, or you can even add in fresh cream. And if your skin is still more dry, you can take a little bit of grapeseed oil, olive oil, sesame oil, peanut oil, or whichever oil suits your skin, and give it a little bit of massage. Now add in a tablespoon of milk and mix it well. One thing I forgot to mention, baby, is if all the ingredients are cold, it will be better for the skin. It really relaxes your skin, especially from sunburn. So mix it nicely, and remember, babies, it will stain your clothes and fingers. So just be a little careful. Fingers and skin, you will wash it off, it will go. As for clothes, see to that you wear something old. Because I was having like severe headache, I thought I'll pamper myself. So I thought I will lie down in the garden and my mother will soak my face with the pack, cover my eyes, my lips, everything. But then because I'm claustrophobic, I just couldn't lie down like this. I got like suffocated miserably. Like that's the main reason I can't go for facials and cleanups at the parlor. So I got up and I started applying the usual way. So just soak your skin with this amazing juices. Just apply it on your skin. If you were lying down, you could like stick it on your skin, but because I'm sitting like this, it will not stick on my skin. But if it sticks on your skin, nothing like it. Apply it even on your lips because it's amazing to lighten the skin, so thus it gets rid of your pigmented lips too if you use it religiously. Apply it on your hands, your legs, your neck. This is amazing, babies, and this whole quantity is for your full body. This Lighten stand super fast, babies. You can use this every day if possible, which mostly is impossible. And apply on your neck, inner thighs, knees, dark elbows, your palms, hands, everything, babies, because actually I get super tanned in Ooty. After 5 minutes or so, it gets soaked up and it disappears, like it does not remain so red on your skin. So again, you can reapply if you have more quantity and then leave it on your skin for 30 minutes and then wash it off with plain water. Don't use a soap or cream for the next 2 to 3 hours. Hey guys, what are you doing? What do you think, this is fresh blood for you? This is beetroot and you're not going to like it. Do you want to taste it? Guys, cats are here. They think it's fresh blood for them. Yeah, if they get to eat me, then yeah. I got two cats, one black cat and one different shade wala cat. This whole quantity is super for the full body. So yes, go to the bathroom and do this. You don't have to do this like in the garden like me. These cats look scary, guys. One is like pitch black. Ooh. What are you doing? Want to taste it? You think it's fresh blood? It's not. You can try this. After you wash it off, your skin instantly looks super bright, babies. If you feel your skin has become too dry, you can apply grapeseed oil or whichever oil you like. Bye bye.